Alright, so we're reviewing for the quiz for derivative shortcuts and the tangent line. So let me give you some examples that we can work together on. So here's the simplest example, a simple polynomial, and I want to take the derivative using the power rule. So I'm going to go 3 times 5 is 15 and subtract 1 to the exponent. The derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. And the derivative of 1 is 0. And that's it. Now, sometimes if you have a radical, we just have to practice what that feels like. So if I give you a radical, do you have the skill to write that exponentially? Fourth root, so to the exponent 1/4. The square root of x to the 5, that's going to be a fraction, 5 over 2, and then take the derivative. So 1/4 times 1. When you subtract 1, take the top number, subtract the bottom number. 1 subtract 4. And then use the same denominator. 5 over 2 times 1. Again, 5 take away 2. That's 3, same denominator. Oops, this is not the derivative yet. Oh yes it is, sorry. There's the derivative. So can you write a radical with an exponent? Here's another example. When you have a denominator, can you write that as an exponent? So one way to write this is 1/3 x to the negative 4, and then take the derivative. That's negative 4 times 1/3, and then subtract 1 to the exponent. Sometimes you should know how to factor. So if you have this to factor, and I want to take the derivative of this, you can write this down, press pause. Do you have the ability to factor? And then after you factor, what's left over, the derivative of just 1x is 1. Alright, the last thing you need to know is a tangent line. So if I give you an equation, and I give you a point on there, so in this case I'll give you a point 1, 1. Can you find the tangent line? So I need to know 3 things for the tangent line. The x-coordinate, the y-coordinate, and the slope. To find the slope, we take the derivative, we plug in 1 into that derivative, and then we take those numbers. Now be careful here, it's the slope, change the sign, and then plus 1. Alright, good luck on the quiz. Mr. G Math, over now.